What's up everybody, Lisa here with New Rockstars, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can instantly add your song to hundreds of popular Spotify playlists in just 2 simple steps without having to pay for placements or pitch your music to playlist curators. Let's get into it. First, before we get started, you need to know that you can only do this using the Spotify app. So you have to make sure that the app is open, the one that you've downloaded on your desktop or your laptop. This will not work on your cell phone, only on your desktop or your laptop. So once you've got the playlist pulled up, now to begin, step number 1, you need to save it to your library. So to do that, click on the heart icon and you've now saved it to your library. Now you are ready and able to add a song to this playlist. So go ahead and find your song. For demonstration purposes, we're just going to use an artist that's already on one of our playlists. Hover over your song, go to the far right where the 3 dots are, click on it where it says more, and then go to add to playlist and scroll up all the way to the top where you will find the playlist that you just saved to your library. Click on it and boom, you've just added your song to this playlist with thousands of listeners. And to confirm, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom to confirm that your song is there. I'm going to check just to make sure that my song is there. It should be the last song added or one of the last songs added. And there you go. It's right there. So in 2 simple steps, in about 2 seconds, you can literally add your songs to hundreds of playlists on Spotify without having to go through a submission process. And we found all these playlists for you. Here's a little growth hack that you can use to move your song on up to the top of these playlists, because whenever you add your song to a collaborative playlist, it's going to end up at the bottom of the playlist. However, I want you to keep in mind that playlist placement is not important on collaborative playlists. This is a strategy to increase your Spotify popularity index, which I will explain in a few seconds. But if these optics are important to you, and as an artist you want to see that your song is at the top of the playlist, use this technique to do it. So first of all, hover over your song, then left click on it, and then you can begin moving it on up to the top of the playlist, just like that. And you see it's already gone up, and then you just keep doing that, move it to the position that you want. I personally think it's a waste of time because, again, you're going to get the benefit of the data points that Spotify's algorithm is going to give you when you add your song to a collaborative playlist. That's what this strategy is for. But again, if you want to spend the time in moving your song on up to the top, here's how you do it. So let's take a side-by-side look at 2 artists with very similar stats. On the left we have a folk artist, and on the right we have a reggae artist. Both artists have almost identical amount of monthly listeners. The reggae artist actually has almost double the amount of followers as the artist on the left. However, the reggae artist on the right, their Spotify score, popularity score, is only 10, whereas the folk artist on the left, his popularity score is literally double that. And he's got less followers and the same amount of monthly listeners. So what is the difference? The difference is that the artist on the left, the folk artist, added his song to just 4 collaborative playlists. The artist on the right, the reggae artist, did not add their song to any collaborative playlists. So you can see what this does and the effect that it has. Again, the reggae artists, even though that they had more followers and monthly listeners, their score was only 10. And the other artist, his score was 22. So this definitely works. This is the power of adding your song to a collaborative playlist. It can literally double your Spotify popularity score. So if you've been in disappointment valley with your Spotify stats and you're frustrated, you've almost like given up and you are feeling like this and you want to start feeling like this, shocked, like wow, this works, and excited, like yes, then click the button to start adding your song to hundreds of Spotify playlists. The hardest part about this is finding these playlists, but we've already done that for you and organized them all together for you. So click the link below and let's get rocking.